Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could decrease the Windows virtual memory. If you are using Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, or even 12, then this video will work for you. First of all, click on the search tab and type View Advanced System Settings. Once you see this little icon, click on it to open and wait a few seconds. Make sure that you are in Advanced and under Performance you have Settings, click on it. Next step, click again on Advanced. And here under virtual memory, you have change options, so click on it to open. As a next step, you want to untick or deselect the automatically managed paging, and you want to select customize. And here you have a minimum or initial size. You can set it up a little bit higher than the minimum allowed for you. In my case, it's 16, so I can set up 20. And maximum size, you can set it up lower than the currently allocated if you want to. Once you have set up all the numbers which you wanted, you click on OK, and this will save your settings. And again, you click Apply, and you click OK, and again, you click here Apply and OK. You will be prompted to restart your computer, so I advise you to save your work before doing so. And once you have restarted your computer, the settings will be applied, and you will have decreased your virtual memory for Windows 10, 7, or even other versions. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.